awfully close, isn't it?
No, it's okay. It's a free hole. It's just drilling straight in.
Is that drill going in?
On 2, yeah. 2 is a drill. Yep. Making a hole. Thinking there's going to be a thread coming up. Yeah. Just looking at the part. And that's going to end that side, I think. Oh, maybe not. All right, let's say finish. And this side's grooving.
And you do have all the shipping brackets, you said?
Yep. Got everything. All the manuals are in their actual box. Let's just make some grooves.
So I'm just going to go over next line.
Again, this is just running on 25%.
So when you actually run the program, it's 4 times as fast, huh?
Yeah. Yep. But that's crazy talk in the middle of proving a program right now.
Yeah, right.
We're not going to do that. Because these machines move really fast.
Yeah, you better know where you're at. Yeah.
You want to know the program is right. But the tolerances we hold with these machines are way more than most companies.
What are you able to hold?
0.001. So, yeah. It's metric, is all this is metric, just so you know.
I was going to say 0.001 millimeter.
Yes. Yes.
And what feature is that? Is that like on roundness, or what is that?
It's on everything.
On everything.
Our tolerances are really tight, yeah. Like most of our tolerances are like with 0.01, that's it.
Yes.
Sometimes like length of parts, 0.1, that's it. So it's really.
But you're able to hold 0.001 millimeter.
Oh, absolutely.
On this machine.
Absolutely. On all of them.
They have to be the most precise machines in the world.
Yeah, they are very. But you know, we have thermal comp on the machine, plus air temperature affects it too. So it's important to have air conditioning and things like that if you're going to hold those tolerances, because you got to control the climate. Really.
Which you have here in the shop.
Yeah. And the chillers. That's the other. And then we're going to end it there.